Have you ever noticed how much emotion can be conveyed with just a simple phrase? Think about the difference between a hesitant hola and an enthusiastic ciao. Their delivery can express excitement, nervousness, or even indifference. This is because communication is about more than just words. It's about emotions too. Emotional intelligence, or EI, plays a crucial role in how we express ourselves and understand others. It's about recognizing, understanding, and managing our emotions effectively. When it comes to language learning, EI can be our secret weapon. Imagine yourself trying to hold a conversation in a new language. You might feel a rush of anxiety or frustration. That's perfectly normal. EI helps us navigate these feelings and use them to our advantage. By understanding our own emotions, we can communicate more effectively and build stronger connections with others. Self-awareness is the foundation of emotional intelligence. It's about understanding our own emotions and how they influence our thoughts and behaviors. In the context of language learning, self-awareness helps us identify and manage the feelings that can arise when we step outside our comfort zones. For instance, let's say you're practicing your Spanish with a native speaker. You stumble over a verb conjugation and feel a wave of self-doubt wash over you. Self-awareness allows you to recognize this feeling and pause. Instead of letting embarrassment take over, you can reframe the situation. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, especially when learning a new language. By acknowledging your feelings of self-doubt, you can choose a more productive response. Take a deep breath, laugh it off, and ask for clarification. Self-awareness empowers you to turn potentially negative experiences into opportunities for growth. Language learning is a journey filled with highs and lows. One day you might feel like you're fluent, effortlessly navigating complex conversations. The next day, you might struggle to remember basic vocabulary. This is where self-regulation comes in. Self-regulation is the ability to manage our emotions and impulses effectively. It's about staying calm under pressure, adapting to unexpected situations, and bouncing back from setbacks. In multilingual communication, self-regulation helps us navigate the emotional rollercoaster of language learning. Imagine you're at a conference and the conversation unexpectedly switches from English to French. You feel a surge of panic. Your French is far from perfect. Self-regulation allows you to stay composed. Instead of freezing up, you can take a deep breath, acknowledge your limitations, and politely ask for clarification. Motivation is the driving force behind any successful endeavor, and language learning is no exception. It's what keeps us going when the going gets tough, pushing us to persevere through challenges and celebrate our progress. When it comes to language acquisition, our motivation often stems from deeply personal goals. Perhaps you dream of traveling the world, connecting with family members in their native tongue, or advancing your career prospects. Whatever your reasons, identifying and connecting with your motivations is crucial for staying engaged and committed to the process. Think about your language learning journey as a road trip. Motivation is the fuel that powers your vehicle. Without it, you'll quickly find yourself stranded on the side of the road. By setting clear goals, celebrating milestones, and reminding yourself why you embarked on this journey in the first place, you can keep your motivation engine running smoothly. Empathy and social skills are the cornerstones of effective communication, bridging the gap between languages and cultures. Empathy allows us to understand and share the feelings of others, while social skills enable us to build rapport, navigate social situations, and foster meaningful connections. In multilingual communication, empathy is particularly important. Imagine you're speaking with someone whose first language isn't English. They might use different expressions, gestures, or tones of voice. Empathy helps you interpret these cues, understand their perspective, and respond appropriately. Social skills, such as active listening, nonverbal communication, and trust building, are also crucial. By paying attention to body language, maintaining eye contact, and showing genuine interest in what others have to say, you can create a more comfortable and engaging communication environment. In conclusion, mastering our emotions can significantly enhance our ability to communicate effectively in multiple languages. By developing our self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills, we can unlock a world of opportunities for connection, understanding, and personal growth. So, embrace the power of emotional intelligence and watch your language skills soar.